It's Mar Antonio Porteño. This project, humans is the most dominant species of the entire universe. The follow-up, for basically for I got a lot of project human is the most dominant species. Features. Uh, Humans is the most dominant species of the entire universe. Just simply uh, uh, from the concept, anything outside our planet floats, or anything in space floats. Even the heaviest tanks, the heaviest man or animals, will floats there in outer space. We can simply build a metal concrete, um, by just lessening the water level here in planet Earth, that create floods too. Uh, Make a huge giant space station that will contain that less water, and the huge space station that contains hydrogen or water will be in its parameters are space towns or space countries. uh, Water is life. This water is there will be a space station that has plants and that has vegetables and bonsai trees, and that has farm products, or just simply malls. I mean malls and space malls, space cars, space motors, motorbikes, space. The one we we all know, space. Surfboard, space skateboards, space surfboards, space backpacks, rockets, etc., etc. So, human is yeah. At first we will feel our first solar system. Then when and planet Jupiter too has hydrogen. It has a lot of hydrogen too. And planet Uranus as well as Neptune and Saturn. So, but it has a lot of poisonous gas. So it just those gas are made of helium and methane. We just simply made as another space station, or space that more like energy storing space station. We can make an energy out of methane and methane gas and helium that will power or source of electricity. And heat can be made electricity. So planet Venus will gain a lot of, and other planets that is hot. We can make an energy out of that, that will empower those space countries. Space countries. For solar system to the next solar system, the first to the first galaxy, then to the next galaxy, etc., etc., etc. It will take, yes, of course it will take a lot of time, but human is the most dominant species. Entire, entire universe. It's possible for planet Earth is that huge in early times. I mean, in early times, Philippines is not the overpopulated civilization that, but now the numbers of humans are close to 7 billion, or already 7 billion up. I mean, that is not impossible. So instead of waging war or set up war against country from another country, but just put our all minds, all countries around the world, all humans around the world, put their minds in this project, my project, Project Humans is the most dominant species in the entire universe. It'll be there will be no need of uh, territorial debates or territorial war. There will be love at each other. We love, we love, we love each other a lot. Other countries are humans after all. They have the same blood. Ugh. It's more like all humans around are united in one goal. All humans around the world united in one goal. Human is the most dominant species in the entire universe. Again, this is Mario Antonio Pareño from General Mariano Alvarez, Cavite, Barangay LSS Black Hill at 21, Manila, Philippines, saying mabuhay, bye guys, I love you guys. I'm from Macalinaw, Cargara, Leyte. Yeah, my mother's side, the Waray, and Pareño, Iloilo, Negros, Bacolod, Negros, sa Ilonggos. This is a good solution for the problem of the world overpopulation. So we don't need to set up war against other countries for our countrymen. The outer space is very huge. The universe is very huge. We can hardly feel it will, a single galaxy is very hard to feel. It will take a lot of times, but yes, it's possible. Human is the most dominant species in the entire universe. This is Mario Antonio Pareño saying bye guys, I love you guys. My cell phone number is 0912-6730-868. 0912-6730-868. Text or call me. Uh-huh.